Recording.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, good morning. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, what was your first class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Pallavi, ma'am. Halima, ma'am, how are you doing? How is the health?
Yeah, fine.
How is the
Good
health?
morning.
Yeah, good, ma'am.
Student. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I am new student. My name is Manvit.
Did you join today?
Oh, ma'am. I joined yesterday also.
Oh,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Yeah, others,
Good
since
morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good. I wanted to tell you something. Others don't have school dresses? Do you have school dress with you?
No, ma'am.
What happened to
No.
your last year's dress? It is not fitting you anymore?
Yeah, my name is Ashrita. I am in village. I didn't bring my school dress from Hyderabad.
Okay, if you are in village, it's okay. But if you are in same Hyderabad, what happened to your last year dresses? At least sports dress. Sports dress is a little bit loose, isn't it? Yeah, come on, speak up.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good, good. Did you all have your breakfast, milk?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What was your first class?
Dance, ma'am.
Oh, dance. Okay. Which song you danced? You don't remember?
Ma'am, we
Hindi or
don't know
Telugu?
that song.
Hindi or
We
Telugu?
don't know that song. Border song, ma'am.
Huh?
Border song.
English.
Border movie
Oh,
song.
border movie, Hindi song. Good morning. We'll wait for 2 minutes. Only 20 students. This is 3A, right? Three A means 48 students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning.
I hope all of you are sitting near a table and a chair. Yeah? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. For the table.
Very good.
I'm also on table, ma'am.
Okay, last class I played that PPT. Do you remember? What were we talking about?
You said that how the royal parade. How
Huh?
was the royal parade?
Which lesson?
And the royal parade.
Yes. And what are the two important characters in the lesson?
Jaya and Deva.
And what is this lesson about? About which festival?
Dashara.
Dasara festival. And where this festival, where do they celebrate this festival for 10 days?
In Mysore. Mysore.
I think you all understood whatever I said, you understood perfectly. Very good.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, tomorrow I cannot come 3 classes.
Why?
3.
Why?
And tomorrow science classes.
I understand, but I'm asking why.
Ma'am, you were showing one video about the story and class
Yeah, I'm
ended
trying
now.
to show the same thing. Please don't draw on the pages. This is my sincere request.
Ma'am, I love all subjects, but I love mostly English.
Very nice. I'm happy. Because you like my subjects.
also. Ma'am.
Yeah, can you see the blue screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll quickly. Yeah, all of you remain silent. I'll quickly play the PPT once again, and then we'll go to the actual video.
The royal parade. What do you mean by royal? Royal means very high status, that is status of king. Parade. Parade means a public procession, especially one celebrating a special day or an event. Then you will get introduced. What do we know about this parade? This parade is the Mysore Dasara parade, which lasts for 10 days. It is the state festival of Karnataka. It celebrates the victory of good over evil. The city of Mysore has a long tradition of celebrating the festival of Dasara through this parade with a lot of enthusiasm and has celebrated its 409th parade in 2019. Parade. 1638, that is 17th century, about a young girl named Jaya and her pet elephant Deva.
Yeah, I already told you. This is a story about Jaya, a little girl, and her pet elephant Deva. And this is set in which year? 1638. And she wanted to go to that Dasra festival. Yeah. What happened? Huh?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Why should we learn about the little girl and that elephant, Jaya and
Yes, you will, when you get into the story, how this story got linked with the Dasara festival, you will come to know. Okay, then you will understand why you need to learn about this story. Okay, there is a connection between both of them, story and the festival. You will come to know about it. Fine, did you understand? Okay, so
Yes,
she wanted to go to Dasara festival, and let's see in this lesson, actual lesson, how Deva helps her to visit that festival place.
It shows how Deva made Jaya's dream come true to go to Mysore parade through an accident. Observe the picture. Who
Yes, did we learn about this picture? The first
yes,
picture.
ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see
Yes, ma'am. I listened this story in the video.
and the
Yeah, see, there are the three characters. First, primary characters. Important characters are Jaya and Deva. And she is princess. She is actually responsible for to take Deva and Jaya to the parade. Let's see how princess helps. Who is a princess, by the way?
The third picture is there. The
Yeah.
third picture. Princess is a queen.
Yeah.
Princess is a queen.
Note yourself. We are done with the PPT. Who is making sound? V2307 and Darshita. Mute. One second, I'll play the video. When I did I forward in the group, did you see this video? No?
Yes, ma'am, I saw this video, ma'am.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am, I saw and there's a story. That's why I can't listen.
Royal Parade
All of you remain
by
silent.
Nandan.
Can you see and hear?
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
One day in the late summer of 1638, the sun was rising over the thick forest in Nagarhole. Jaya bathed and filled her pot from the Kabrini river. As she walked home in her wet pavadai satti, She called out to Deva cheerfully, Deva! Deva, the elephant calf, hopped out of the thicket. On other days, Jaya and Deva would play in the river, splashing about and spraying water at each other. But today, Jaya held Deva's trunk and said, Deva, today Appa might return from Mysuru. I'm going to run home. Jaya's father was the chief of the biggest tribe in Nagarhole. The king of Mysuru had sent his guard to the forest to summon him. The king wanted advice on herbal medicines. Jaya's father had taken special herbs and honey to the royal court a week ago. I'll bring you some Mysore pak. Jaya hoped her father had remembered to keep his promise about the sweet. Deva trumpeted happily as he saw his little friend hurrying home, balancing the pots on her head. When Jaya neared her home, she saw people crowding there. Ah! Appa is already home, she said. She poured the
Yeah. What happened?
water from the pots into the cleaned trough in the cowshed and ran into the hut. The cows mooed and walked to the fresh water. Jaya's father lifted her up and seated her on his lap with
What happened to you?
Ma'am, your sound is breaking, ma'am.
Is it the same for others? Because for me it is very clear.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Very clear.
Okay. Whoever,
Ma'am, it's very clear, ma'am.
wait. Whoever is having that problem, you log out and log in again, and go nearer to the router if possible. Okay. Yeah, everything I'll explain. Each and every word I'll explain. First, get an idea about what is this story. Okay.
a big smile. He was telling the people from his tribe about Mysuru, the new king there, the magnificent palace, a throne made of pure gold, the wide roads, the crowded markets where everything was available, and the huge temples. He said the city was getting ready for a big festival called Dasra. He said,
During the festival, the king himself leads a grand parade of royal deities, noble families, military officers, soldiers, dancers, camels, horses, and elephants.
The people listened in wonder as they sucked at their Mysore pak. Please take me to Mysuru, Appa, Jaya said.
It is very far, daughter. Your legs are too small for the long journey. This year I'll take your brother for Dasara,
said her father, patting her head affectionately. Jaya jumped out of his lap and darted into the forest. Deva snorted joyfully on seeing his best friend again. Jaya ran to him and buried her face in his trunk, sobbing, I can walk too, Deva. You know that. But Appa will only take my brother to Mysuru. I too want to see the Dasara parade. Deva wrapped his trunk around Jaya and lifted her. Placing her gently on his back, he began to run towards the open field. Jaya knew this was not safe for Deva. Stop, Deva! She yelled. But Deva burst out of the trees and ran across the field. Jaya was shocked to see that the field was teeming with people and elephants. Deva, turn back! Jaya pulled his ears, but Deva was in no mood to listen. He finally stopped in front of a chariot. This is a very majestic elephant calf, said a finely dressed young woman in the chariot. Jaya soon learnt that people had come from the Mysuru palace to select elephants for the Jambu Savari, the elephant parade at the Dasara. Turn back, Deva! Jaya fearfully shouted into Deva's large ears. Deva shook his head. He took one step forward. Little miss, said the woman in a happy voice to Jaya, Can your Deva come for the royal parade? Jaya was very scared for Deva.
No,
She shouted boldly.
he belongs here in the forest.
Of course, he will return to the forest after the parade. I promise. The woman's voice was reassuring. Jaya felt Deva was in safe hands. Also, she was so proud for her Deva.
But Deva won't have any friend in Mysuru,
Said Jaya after some thought. Surely he will have you. I can see how close you both are. In fact, you can teach him the royal march.
Me?
Wondered little Jaya. Yes. Why don't you bring someone along? You are too young to take care of yourself, smiled the woman.
Can I bring 3 someones?
Asked Jaya playfully. Definitely. And tell them they are the guests of the king of Mysuru. That's how Jaya went to see the lights and the fireworks of the great Dasara festival in Mysuru with her brother and parents. The graceful dancers, the smart soldiers, the brilliant band, the brightly decorated elephants, camels, and horses were all very fascinating. But Deva was the most elegant of all, and it was for Deva that Jaya and her brother cheered the loudest.
Okay, I'll play the video once again and then I'll explain. First, give me your attendance. Adya,
One doubt, ma'am.
yeah, I'll clear all your doubts. Please wait. Adya,
Ma'am, what is meant by elegant?
yes, everything I'll explain. Give me your attendance. All of you pay attention. Adya. One more Adya.
Adya
Huh? Advaita.
You can call roll number wise.
Acha, you know your own numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
3.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please be mute.
Okay.
Everybody,
Ma'am, roll number is
please mute yourself.
Wait. Please mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
take attendance.
Mine
Please.
is 10.
Listen to me first. First time I'm taking, so I'll tell your attendance. I'll confirm, okay, whether it's correct or not. From next day onwards, you tell by your roll numbers. Okay. Adya, roll number 1. Is it correct or not? You tell me. Another Adya, roll number 2. Advaita, roll number 3. Huh? Advaita's roll number is 2.
No, 3, ma'am.
Then you wrote on your ID roll number 2. Change it.
Yesterday only, ma'am, changed.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, Telugu ma'am changed.
Akira 4. Akira 4. Correct only, right?
Correct.
Okay. Akshant 5.
Correct, ma'am.
Prabhav 6. Absent. Adya, both Adyas absent. Ananya 7.
Ma'am, Adya Bharati.
Huh?
Ma'am, Adya Bharati is present.
Okay. Who is another Adya? That is only Adya.
Adya Venugala.
Adya Bharati is roll number 1.
No, Adya Venugala roll number 1.
Okay. See what I'll do. Adya Bharati present, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 2. Isn't it? And first Adya. Huh? Correct.
Adya Venugala is present.
Adya Venkala absent.
No, ma'am. This time only John, ma'am.
Where is she?
Ma'am, she participants.
I can't see another Adya.
Adya Venugala, ma'am.
Where is she? Where are you?
In participants, Adya Venugala is there, ma'am. Ma'am.
She's there. Okay. Both are present. Fine. Ananya, roll number 7.
Correct, ma'am.
Ashrita, roll number 8.
Correct, ma'am.
I think whatever I wrote is correct. 9. Karen, 9.
Present, ma'am.
10. Charita. Quick. Let's not waste time in attendance. 10. Charita. 11. Chetan. See, mute yourself first of all. Only who, see, all of you mute yourself. Whom I call the names, they should only unmute and immediately mute. 11. Chetan. 11. Chetan.
Present, ma'am.
Quickly tell her attendance. 12. Darshita. 12. Darshita. Present? I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
13. Dharmik. Absent.
Absent, ma'am.
14. Diyashri.
Yes, ma'am. Present, correct only.
15. Gamya.
Yes, teacher. Yes, ma'am.
16. Hemanvita.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
17. Humaira.
No, ma'am.
17. Humaira. Absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Dharmik, ma'am.
Dharmik present, huh? Okay. 18. Sahiti.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
19. Kashika.
Present, ma'am.
20. Kanishka.
Dharmik is present.
I know.
Present, ma'am.
21. Kushal. 21. Kushal. Absent. 22. Mahalakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
23. Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
24. Manaswini.
Ma'am, 22, Mahalakshmi.
Yes, I gave present. 25. Nandini.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Is holding,
No.
ma'am. Which ma'am?
25. Nadin.
Ma'am, yes, Manaswini.
Present.
Present, ma'am.
26.
B
Nishka.
Manasvi is also there.
Manasvi and Manaswini.
Yes,
Both are present.
Manaswini, ma'am.
Can you tell me the lower number for B Manasvi?
B Manasvi 23.
Yes, Manaswini, ma'am.
24.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
26. Nishka.
Present, ma'am.
Purnavi 27.
Present, ma'am.
Renushri 28.
Present, ma'am.
29. Blessing.
22, 23.
Present, ma'am.
See, please, others mute. I'm getting lot of disturbance. 30. Rishikesh.
Ma'am, can you tell Shreyas?
Shreyas. You have Shreyas. I will tell you. Wait. Rishikesh present. 30. Okay. Sanvi 31.
Ma'am, can you say me Prabhav? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 32. Ashrit.
Present, ma'am.
Deepa 33.
Ma'am, I'm Sriman.
Deepa 33. Absent. 34. Dheeraj. 1 second, ma. I didn't call you yet. 34. Dheeraj.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I'm present.
Prabha. Prabha, you are there. I gave you absent. Okay. I'm present.
Yes, ma'am.
Dheeraj 34.
Ma'am,
I gave you present.
present, ma'am.
If I Yashwant.
Present, ma'am.
36. Saket.
Present, ma'am.
37. Samanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
38. Varshini.
Ma'am.
38.
Yes,
Varshini.
ma'am.
39 Shreyas.
Present, ma'am.
40 Sonakshi.
Present, ma'am.
41 Shritan. Absent. 42 Shrilasya.
Present, ma'am.
43 Shriman. Shriman, you asked me. 43 your roll number. 44 Madhuri.
Yes, ma'am.
45 Suhasika. 46 Vamshika.
Present, ma'am.
47 Vedansh.
Present, ma'am.
48 Yashri.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, I hope you all remember your roll numbers. Next time I'll take quickly, okay? Yes, I'm playing the video once again.
Ma'am, what is meant by elegant, ma'am?
Everything I will tell, ma. See, according to the
The
situation,
Royal Parade
if I explain, you will understand.
by Nandini Nayyar. One day in the late summer of
Yeah, this
Ma'am,
story,
after finishing, ask questions.
of course, definitely.
Ma'am,
The 2 or 3 paragraphs, I'll be asking you questions. So, all of you please pay attention. See, so this story, what? Hmm.
ma'am, my name is there, ma'am.
What is your name?
Manvit, ma'am.
Manvit, I didn't call you. Did I not call you Manvit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll write at the end and I'll inform your class teacher. Manvit.
Okay, ma'am.
Madam, my role. What is my role?
Okay, please, all of you pay attention.
Ma'am, what is my role number?
See, you ask your roll number. Please ask your class teacher. Okay, that is better instead of me telling you. Fine, all of you please concentrate. No more questions. So,
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
with regarding to what? What is your doubt?
Ma'am, Nandini
Ma'am, can you play?
Yeah, see, regarding the lesson, please stop. I will explain each and every word. Okay, when you ask. So one day in the late summer of 1638, I already told you this story took place in 1638 AD. And the sun was rising over the thick forest in Nagarhole. Nagarhole is the place where this story happened. Okay, Nagarhole is a place in Karnataka where this story happened. Thick forest, yeah. Sai Deepa, what do you mean by thick forest? Do you know or not? Shriman say.
Ma'am, dark forest.
Not dark. Hemanvita, can you tell? Thick forest.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah.
Ma'am, with lots of trees and
Very
bushes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good. With lots of fully grown trees, very high, dense trees. And 1638 means this story happened in 17th century. And this story, one day in late summer, that means towards the end of the summer.
1638. The sun was rising over the thick forest in Nagarhole.
See, this story, this village was nearby a forest. Okay. And do you know, not like city, in city, we get the water through our pipes, we have water connections and all that. But how do they get water in villages? Do they have all these facilities?
From rivers.
Yes. So
And lakes.
And lakes, nearby lakes, nearby rivers.
Lakes of wells.
Yeah. Ladies or people, they carry these pots on their head.
And rivers, ma'am.
Yes. They carry these pots. First, let me explain. Okay, later you ask doubts. So they carry these pots on their heads and they get the water from the nearby river and lakes. So similarly, Jaya also every morning she used to come to this nearby lake near the river called Kabani River. What is the river name? Kabani River. All of you repeat in mute mode.
Kabini River.
Kabani River. So same here.
Kabani River.
See, in mute mode I said, not outside. So she came every day. She comes here and she takes bath, and afterwards she fills the pots with river water.
Jaya bathed and filled her
Yeah, bathed. What is bathed? Past tense of bathe, bath. What is bath?
Ma'am,
Taking bath.
ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah.
Past tense of bath.
Yes.
pot from the Kabrini river. As she walked home in her wet Pavadai sati,
Yeah, somebody was asking, Pavadai Satti. Can you see in the, all of you open page number 12, textbook? Pavadai Satti means typical South Indian girls, they wear one long skirt and one blouse. Do you know? All of you wear during the festivals. Isn't it?
Ma'am, I also have, ma'am.
Same thing. So a skirt and a blouse worn by the little girls in the South India. See that second meaning in 12. Can you see? Pavadai Satti. Or shall I open the textbook and show? Wait. Open the textbook, all of you.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 12.
Ma'am, in 14 also there.
Yeah. See the meanings. I'll open the page. Can you see the textbook or you're seeing the video?
Textbook.
Textbook.
Yeah. Here you see 2. 2 means
Textbook.
see, here these numbers are given. I think in the last year also, second class also you had this. 2 meaning means you have to check here. Okay. So Pavadai Satti means a skirt and a blouse worn by little girls in the South India. So typically for festivals, we wear those dresses. Little girls wear those typical dress. So she was wearing the same dress. Can you see the video now? Yeah. So she was where she walked home. She carried the pots and she was walking back home in wet Pavadai Satti. Why do you think so? It is wet. Because she just took bath, isn't it? Do you agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
And she called out Deva. Who is Deva here?
It's ma'am. It's ma'am.
Oh,
Elephant.
yeah. So she called out Deva, Deva. She was
Elephant.
see one person say that's enough. See, if I ask a question, one person, if you say it's enough, if 45 students say elephant, it will take at least 5 minutes. Okay, one person enough. So she walked her home and she called out Deva, Deva. She was calling out very cheerfully. What do you mean by cheerfully? Because Deva is her pet elephant and she is very, very happy to see Deva every morning. Why? They always play. That's the reason she called him cheerfully.
she called out to Deva cheerfully.
With a very happy voice, she called him cheerfully. Deva, Deva. Are you all concentrating or looking here and there? Shaya Ashrit. Shaya Ashrit.
Ma'am, we will following, ma'am.
Some videos are off. Sonakshi, Shreyas. How do I know that whether you are listening or not if your videos are off? I told you the first basic rule. All the videos should be on all the time. Shaya Ashrit, I can't see you. I can just see the wall. Yes, sit here properly. Where did you go, Shaya Ashrit? You went somewhere? Huh? Unmute and talk.
So, ma'am.
So you didn't listen to me when I started the lesson? See, washroom, water, everything you should finish it before the class. You have the 10-minute break, isn't it? That is for that purpose. You should not go to washroom until unless it's very urgent. You shouldn't go during the class. Fine.
Deva. Deva, the elephant calf.
So who is Deva? The elephant calf. It's not fully grown elephant. It's the calf elephant. Calf means baby elephant. Okay. Hopped out of the thicket. What do you mean by hopped? What is hopping? Do you play hop game? Hopping game?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hopping means moving by jumping on one foot. Okay. You play hop game, right? Moving by jumping on one foot. And what is meant by thicket? Go to the meanings. See, thicket, third meaning, a dense group of trees or bushes. Vamshik, take out that stationery, keep it beside. It is not necessary now. Please concentrate. So the elephant calf, she hopped out of the thicket. Thicket means dense group of trees or bushes.
Hopped out of the thicket. On other days, Jaya and Deva would play in the river.
Yeah, Jaya and Deva, every day they play in the river. Akshant, look at the screen. With whom you are talking? Please concentrate. Later I will ask questions. I'll ask questions for meanings also, which I just explained. So please focus. So every day, what do? Jaya and Deva, they'll play. How do they play? You know, elephant takes the water in its trunk and it splashes. Do you know that?
Yes, ma'am. I know that, ma'am.
It's very nice. So what does
I
it
saw it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I know that.
It takes out the water and it splashes on Jaya, and they will be nicely spraying water, splashing water. Like that, they will have lots of fun. So every day they do like that. Whenever she comes to take the water from the river. Which river? What is the river name?
Kavani River.
Splashing about and spraying water at each other. But today,
Yeah, every day they play during with the water. But today means that particular day, she was holding Deva's trunk. What is trunk? This is the trunk. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
So she was.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
House, ma'am, it will be like this.
tell? The elephant nose.
Yes. So she was holding Jaya's trunk gently, softly she was holding, and she was talking to her. What she was saying? Deva, today Appa might return from Mysuru. Who is Appa? Appa means dad. In their language, Appa means dad. So she's telling Appa is going to return from Mysuru.
Jaya held Deva's trunk and said, Deva, today Appa might return from Mysuru. I'm going to run home.
So she's saying that today I'm not going to play with you because my dad is coming back from Mysuru. So I'm leaving early.
Jaya's father was the chief of the biggest tribe.
Yes. And who is Jaya's father? And do you know what is tribe? Where do tribal people stay? Have you ever heard about the word tribe? Tribal people? No? Okay. Tribes means people who stay nearby forests. Okay, nearby mountains or lakes. They don't have much connection with city life. Okay, they do their own things. They have the different lifestyle. They use all the things from nearby forest. They make things with wood, trees, and all that. Okay. So tribal people is a set of people who generally stay near the forest or lakes or mountains. Okay, so who is Jaya's father? Jaya's father. What is the sound? Yes. So he is the chief. He is the head of one particular tribe near Nagarhole. Nagarhole is a place. Okay. So, and it is the biggest tribe. See, there will be a lot of small tribes. Tribe means nothing but a group of people. Okay. So he is the tribal head of a biggest tribe. That means that tribe consists of lots of people.
tribe in